So these are my Allen Edmond Fifth Avenue in the dark chili. These are factory seconds, which means there might be slight blemishes or maybe a light scuff or imperfection. These are in the calf skin. They're size 12E, and I think they are very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see. Let's take a look. See if we can get a little light in the subject. So see, stuff like this, they're not shined yet, they're not laced yet, but these are very nice. See that Goodyear welt? Beautiful. Very, very nice. There's the box for you box fans. You can always get the factory seconds for a little bit cheaper than you would those without any imperfections, excuse me. Same as the first shoe, but that dark chili is beautiful, especially when it gets polished, and a nice mirror shine to the toe. Big shouts to Preston, Kirby Allison, the masters of shoe game. But I'm making this video for those like me who are not shoe pros but really enjoy a nice shoe and are kind of just wondering, especially what the dark chili looks like. It's kind of a brownish and just slight reds in it. Very, very subtle reds in it. 6 eyelets, what Allen Edmonds is famous for. And let's see. Here we go. Alright. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I'm excited to get these guys going. Wear them with a nice suit. As we know, that broguing on the 5th makes them not the most formal, but you can really dress them up. So they won't have as much broguing as a Strand or a McAllister. And so you can wear them with a few more things than you would a more casual shoe. But these are a bit casual because of the broguing, which are these holes. Alright, thank you for hanging in there. I am excited, like I said, to see this in its final stage with a nice shine. I want these guys with a nice mirror shine. Alright, have a great day. Bye.